There are many reasons for getting a tattoo, but there are very few easy options for getting rid of one. Now, though, a new generation of lasers is helping to erase tattoos faster and more completely than ever before.
It's one of my favorite bands, so it was time to finally make my mark.
Wayne Bland paid a painful price for his loyalty to the heavy metal band AC/DC. Not long after he tattooed the group's logo on his arm, he started noticing a reaction on his skin.
And eventually they got to a point where it's almost like the skin was swelling to a point that it hurt.
Turns out Wayne was allergic to a compound in the blue ink used in the tattoo's lettering. And to make matters worse, the color is notoriously hard to remove, even with commonly used lasers. He eventually turned to Walnut Creek dermatologist Dr. Christine Lee.
Usually blues and greens never go away. And so if you have a weak-powered Q-switch laser, you could be treating it 16, 20, 30 treatments, and you're not going to get anywhere.
To remove the stubborn blue ink, Dr. Lee will use two separate lasers, FDA approved to treat tattoos and pigmented lesions. The first, known as the PicoSure, delivers an ultra-short burst of energy designed to physically shatter the ink particles. Each pulse is delivered in a trillionth of a second. Next, Dr. Lee follows up with a powerful second laser known as the Photona, which can deliver 4 separate wavelengths, allowing it to treat multicolored tattoos. Before and after photos show the results of a single session, which is typically repeated several more times over the course of weeks or months. Dr. Lee says the new generation of lasers are able to completely erase blue and green ink without leaving smudges behind, and generally work about twice as fast as earlier technologies.
They will go away more completely and with fewer treatments.
Still, the treatments can cost anywhere from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on the size of the tattoo. For Wayne, the considerations go beyond the cosmetic to simply reducing the pain.
Well, ideally, I would just like the inflammation to stop. So that's what this means to me.
Now, the new lasers are more powerful, but Dr. Lee says the short bursts actually tend to be safer than older technologies that could leave scars in the case of larger or more difficult to remove tattoos.